How to use to WhatsApp to Facebook on a Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, S23 FE. To access to WhatsApp to Facebook or any other social media on your phone, you need to use dual messenger feature on your device. Let's see how to set up dual messenger on a Samsung S24 FE and S23 FE. Open the app drawer, go to settings. Now scroll down up to advanced feature. Now scroll down at the end. You can find the dual messenger. Sign into a second account. Tap on it. Now here we install only Facebook application. So you can see only one application. Whenever you install WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram or any other social media application, you can see the app list here. So toggle on the application to add second app. Now you can see pop up install a second copy of Facebook. Tap on install. Now tap on confirm. Here you can use separate contact list also. If you want to add separate contacts, tap on the next button. Now use your regular contact, tap on OK. Now turning on dual messenger on a Samsung S24 FE and other Samsung device. Now you can see second copy of Facebook install. You can see this type of symbol Facebook with a round circle icon. Also enable this to use separate contact list. Now open the app drawer and you can find the second copy of Facebook. This is the original. We already signed in with my account. And you can see the second copy of Facebook like this. Tap on it and you need to sign in, continue and sign in to your account. So you can access both your personal and a personal account or a private or any business profile at the same time using this dual messenger feature. That's it. Please like it, share it. If you don't want to use second copy of your application, just open the app drawer, long press the application and tap on the uninstall to uninstall the second copy. Tap on uninstall. Now you can see remove the second copy of Facebook or any other application. You can use your regular application. That's it. If you like it, share it.